Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, SmartAssistant. Have you ever posted multiple photos in one album on Instagram and later wanted to remove one or more images? You don't have to delete the entire post. There's an easy way to remove just the photos you don't want, while the rest of the album stays intact. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily remove one or more images from an album on Instagram in just a few simple steps. So here we go. First, open your Google Play Store and check if you have the latest version of the Instagram app. If you don't, you'll see the Update button. Tap on Update and begin updating your Instagram app. Once the update is complete, tap Open to directly launch your Instagram app. When you're in the Instagram app, go to your profile and then find the post containing the album with the photos you'd like to edit and tap on it. Once the post opens, tap on the three-dot icon in the top right corner, which will open a page with options to edit the post. Now, find the Edit option and tap on it. Once you've done that, find the image you want to remove. When you find it, you'll see a trash can icon in the bottom left corner of the image you want to delete. Tap on it, and in the pop-up window that appears, tap Delete. Finally, you'll see a confirmation icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap it to save your changes. After doing that, your post will be updated, and the image will be successfully removed from the album. And that would be all for this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to my channel. See you soon, and thank you so much for watching.